And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can apply basic audio effects to your clips. Here we have a video clip and it has audio. It's just my last video that I published on YouTube about CapCut. Just make sure that it's selected in the timeline. I'm using the default layout, and then you can find the audio option right here. You may see the basics, so here you can adjust, for example, volume, fades, stuff like this. But the effects are on the voice changer. There are three options: voice filters, voice characters, and speech to song. Some of them are pro, but the free ones, they cover the basics or most of the effects that you have heard and seen somewhere. For example, a robot effect, echo, deeper, higher. So this pitched voice. Just left click on it. It might take a while because it has to download it first. And these effects, they are combined. So if you have a voice filter active and then you switch to voice characters, it would combine them. So let me get back to original here, and then I switch to voice characters. And here we have, for example, the typical robot voice.
When you activate it with ANF link, this is what it sounds like.
And I've said there's also a speech to song. You can see it's fairly easy to apply these effects to your audio. Let me delete this video clip, and here we have an isolated audio clip. And it works the same way, just make sure it's selected in the timeline. You will directly see the audio option because it's not a video anymore. Basic, voice changer, and speed can be adjusted, but it has the same options as our first element that we've had with the video. And this is how you can apply basic audio effects in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.